Do you want to know how to make yummy pancakes? Let's find out. First, sift plain flour into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Make a well in the center. Break your egg into the well. Whisk your eggs into the flour. Next, add melted butter. Whisk in the milk a little at a time. If you could bear to wait, allow the butter to rest in the fridge. Get your pan nice and hot. Be careful with hot pans. Add a little butter into the pan. Quickly add the butter and swirl the pan to coat the surface. You can take a peek to see if it's ready to flip. Flip the pancake, however works best for you. Repeat for all the batter. I like mine piled with fruit, a spoon of lemon cream and a drizzle of honey.